Now let's see this remainder theorem. Now remainder of an expression, now if we have a into b into c divided by n, this is equal to the remainder of the expression an, bn, cn divided by n, where an, bn, cn are the remainders when a, b, c are divided by n. So the meaning of this one is, if you have a product of many numbers here and if you are dividing it by n, now if you have to find out the remainder of this expression, right, which means the remainder of this product when divided by n, right, what is the remainder? If you want to find it out, you can individually find out what are the remainders of a, b and c when they are divided by n, and you can substitute them there, right. It need not necessarily be, here I have taken only 3 numbers, it could be extended even to n numbers, which means in the numerator it need not be just a into b into c, it could be any number, right, like a, b, c, so on, n. Okay, now let's see a question on this. Find the remainder of 61 into 72 into 87 when they are divided by 7. So how to do this one is, see, if you try to multiply all these numbers and get a number and divide by 7 and find out the remainder, that is one method. Other method is, take these numbers individually and find out the remainders first, right. So 61 when divided by 7, the remainder is 5, so I am writing 5. 72 when divided by 7, the remainder is 2, so I am writing 2 here. 87 when divided by 7, the remainder is 3, so I am writing 3 here. Instead of finding out the remainder directly, now I multiply these 3 and find out the remainder, right. So multiply these 3, it is going to be 30. Now 30, the remainder of 30 when divided by 7 is 2. That is how I got it. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177. And IIT Roorkey's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkey, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkey is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkey. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply. And statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is, we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.